Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on the application of Truecaller. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will click. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.